Here's a short video with some advice for students taking AQA Economics Paper 3. In a multiple choice paper, work quickly and efficiently through your multiple choice questions. Don't waste too much time. Questions are sequential, of course, and they'll cover lots of topics, but try and get through them quickly and efficiently. Get the right answers, obviously. You'll need that time in section B. Lots of extracts to read through, of course. In the 10-mark question, you must use the named data. So state what information and evidence you're looking for before quoting that data. And please try to make use of all the data to which you're directed. In the answer for the 10-marker, carry out some data manipulation, some data calculations. Easiest one will be, for example, percentage changes or working out a degree of volatility, work out the highs and the lows. Can you identify a trend in the data, for example? And if you have a moment, identify the limitations of the data. Is it up to date? What data is missing? How accurate is the data likely to be for different countries and different markets? In the 10-marker, make mini judgments along the way. Don't leave the evaluation until the end, but of course make an overall supported judgment when you reach the end of the 10-marker. Now the 50-mark question, explain. Explain does not mean evaluation. So please make explicit use of the prompts in the question. Examiners are hoping you'll build well-developed chains of reasoning using connective phrases. Use micro and macro diagrams appropriately and develop those diagrams from cost and revenue curve analysis to externalities and market failure and ADAS analysis. Build well-developed chains of reasoning plus good diagrams. Explain means you don't have to evaluate. If you evaluate, you're wasting time in the 15-mark question. There's no credit for evaluation. In the 25-mark question, the big one, balance the use of theory with the use of data. So don't be too data heavy, don't be too theory heavy. Get a nice balance. Nice balance between micro and macro, of course. Use accurate, well-labeled, appropriate micro and macro diagrams to support your points. Evaluate throughout the end of each paragraph and then reach a final conclusion, bringing the things together, justifying your answer and recommending a course of action for the government. Go well, tough paper. It's your final paper in economics. We wish you all the best.